Here's how you're going to get the TikTok trending strobe effect on CapCut. First thing you're going to want to do is import your video footage into the CapCut timeline. Go to your video effects and you're going to look for halo blur. This is going to give you that blur to focus look. Then you're going to go back into your video effects and you're going to scroll over to the party effects and look for the strobe. Once you add the strobe effect, you're going to grab it and move it to the beginning of the timeline along with the halo blur. Then you're going to take the strobe effect and stretch it out to the duration of the clip. And there you go. Now you have the TikTok trending strobe effect. Make sure you like and follow for more video tips just like this.